Alright, so this is my looping submission, and what we're going to draw today on Bill Kendrick's web turtle is a heptagon, so a seven-sided shape. And we're going to start off with start a new drawing. And so we're going to be using the repeat next command because it's looping. So repeat, input that to say how many sides you need on your shape, so 7. And then we do draw command to show size. And let's try 60 for sizing. And then our angle, show the angle, and I had to look this up for a heptagon, but the angle inside a heptagon is 51.43 degrees. So we input right 51.43, the right command. And we're going to get a little technical and fancy, so we're going to add some color. So you input the color command, and to choose which color you want, you go to the command page on WebTurtle, and it gives you numbers, or you can just put the color name like blue, yellow, but that's boring, so we're going to do the number. Feel more like a programmer. So we're going to do color number 7, that's blue, my favorite color, so color number 7 is blue. And then to show you're done with the loop, you put next, and we need our turtle in here, so you put show turtle command, and to show we're done with this, end. And moment of truth, a little drum roll, draw it. There we go. Let's see if it all worked out. That looks like a heptagon to me, but just to make sure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. 3 side, 4 side, perfect. So there's our heptagon. We got our turtle right here. You can go around it or whatever. And that concludes my looping presentation. Thank you.